One of my favorite features about the new Android 17 is the Eclipsa video feature. And I don't know if this happens to you guys, but sometimes late at night when it's dark, I have my display brightness set all the way down to make the screen easy on the eyes. And then you're on Instagram, for example, and you see one of those HDR videos that are just super bright no matter what your display brightness is set to. And yes, I know there's a way to change that setting within the Instagram app, but now it's automated on a system level, which is awesome. So basically, what this new feature does on Android 17, it uses your ambient light sensor on the phone. It reads how bright the room is, and then it also looks at the video metadata inside the video file. So if you're in a dark room, Android 17 will automatically scale the blindingly bright highlights of the video down to match your screen's comfortable limits, while making sure that the text overlay and system UI will stay perfectly readable. So, basically enables that HDR video playback, but makes it more comfortable on your eyes. You won't see a huge difference here because my camera doesn't shoot HDR, and I'm not sure if YouTube even supports it, but if you look at an HDR phone display in person, it's a noticeable difference. If you're looking for a toggle for this, you're not going to find one. It is fully automated and built into the operating system, so no need to change anything or flip any switches. Just update to Android 17 and you're all set. And of course, a lot of Android phones will have a slider for Enhanced HDR Brightness under the display settings. This slider basically allows you to keep HDR enabled, but limit the maximum brightness of highlights. It's an old feature and was there before Android 17, but it's kind of a manual way of handling what Android 17 is now doing automatically under the hood. But for the folks whose phone doesn't support Android 17, this is a great option for adjusting the brightness of HDR content. Or, if you flip the toggle and turn it off, your phone will display all HDR content as a standard SDR content, giving you predictable, consistent brightness across the entire operating system. And that's it. Click the like button if this helped, and let me know how you like your HDR videos, super bright or dimmed down. Thanks all, until next time.